Hey guys, this is Ruhi and welcome back to my channel Mrshome for a complete home. And today's recipe is crispy KFC chicken. Let's quickly get into the recipe. For this I have taken half kg of boneless chicken. To this add salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon green chili paste, half tablespoon cumin powder, 2 tablespoon corn flour and 2 tablespoon maida. Mix all the ingredients. Add crushed dried curry leaves. Instead of this, you can grind fresh curry leaves along with the green chilies and you can add that paste. Add 1 egg white. Here I am adding only egg white. And squeeze half a lemon juice. Mix well until they are well combined. Close the lid and refrigerate for 1 hour. Here I have taken regular cornflakes. Take some cornflakes in a bowl or in any Ziploc bag. Now crush this with the help of wooden stick. Make sure you crush this into small chunks and not into fine powder. Now take some crushed cornflakes in a bowl, add marinated chicken and coat the chicken well with the cornflakes. Repeat the same process for the other chicken pieces. Now fry these chicken pieces in a hot oil. Fry the chicken on both sides. Fry until they are golden brown in color. Crispy chicken is ready. Now you can switch off the flame. Take out in a plate which has tissues so the tissues will absorb extra oil. Yummy crunchy KFC chicken is ready to serve. Enjoy this with ketchup or mayonnaise. Do try this recipe and post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. They are really crunchy from outside and very soft from inside. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.